Good morning, students of class 4. I hope you all are doing great at home. So, students, today's your math class, and I'm your teacher, Vandana Chabra, is going to teach you your new chapter number 8, fractions. So, let's start. Students, just recall, you all have did these important points in your previous class. So just read it very carefully. When a whole number is divided into equal parts, a part of the whole is called fraction. And numbers such as 1/2 and 1/3, 2/3 are known as fractional numbers, and their symbols are 1/2, 1/3, 2/3 are known as fractions. Okay, got it? Yes. Now, students, it's very important. Each fraction is written in the form of numerator. On the top part, it's called numerator, and bottom part is called, bottom number is called denominator. The numerator represents number of parts being referred to, and the denominator represents the total number of parts of a whole. For example, 2/4, 5 is a number, and 2 is your numerator, and in this 5 number is denominator, and parts being referred to, and divide by total number of equal parts. The numerator 2 tells us that the fraction represents 2 equal parts used, and the denominator 5 tells us that 5 equal parts make up a whole. To find 1/2 of a whole or a collection, divide by 2. 1/3 of a whole or a collection, divide by 3, and so on. Okay, got it, students? Yes, these are very important points. Now, students, I hope you all have read these important points. Now, your exercise number 1, it's your recall exercise. So just read it very carefully. In each of the following, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Student, in a circle, half is shaded and another half is not shaded. So two parts are there. So you have to write 1/2. In these flower petals, you have to look at the shaded pattern, that is 1. Shaded petal is 1/3. And how many petals are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1/3. 1/3 is here also, because here is the strips that is shaded 1 only. And how many strips are there? 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. In a square, triangles are 4. So 4 and 1 is shaded too. So 1/4. Okay, very easy now. Yes. Now find the following. 1/2 of 16. You know, students, what is the meaning of off? Off means multiply. So just write in your notebook 1/2, 1, and here you have to write 2. Then after, put the sign of divide. It is the sign of divide, students, like this. Okay. So 1 is your numerator and 2 is your denominator. Now put the sign of, here, put the sign of multiplication, because of means multiplication. Okay. And now write here 16. So just cut here and read the table of 2, and 2 8s are 16. It's very easy. So your answer is 2 8s are 16. Okay. So just cut this number like this and you will get the answer. Answer is 8. 2 and 8. You can write here number 8 as your answer. Okay. Now come to this B question. 1/3 of 51. Of means multiplication. So student, first do the divide sums. 51 is your dividend and 3 is your divisor. So just tell me the question, that is 17. Okay, 17 is your answer. You can write here of means multiplication sign, and you can put here the sign of multiplication instead of. Okay, like this. Now 1/4 of 48. Of means multiplication. So it's very easy. divide the sign of multiplication here and divide 48 divided by 4. Okay. And after divide, you can multiply number by 1. So answer is 12. Okay, students, got it? Yes, it's very easy. Now students, come to this 8.1 exercise. It's very interesting. So read it very carefully and listen it very carefully. Which of the following are groups of like fraction? Just look at the digits in denominator. 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So it's your like fraction. Denominator should be same. So students, just take this as a correct answer. Okay. It's your correct answer. So just tick here, okay? Yes. This is your like fraction. This is your not. It's not like fraction because denominator are not same. These are same denominator. So just cross that because denominators are not same. And in this denominators are same. So just tick that 5, 7, 8. These are the denominator. Just cross because there are denominators that are same. That should be same. Okay. Now separate the proper, improper and mixed fraction. So students, first you have to tell me about the definition of proper fraction. Can you tell me the definition of proper fraction? Come on, tell me students. Yes. Students, proper fraction means in which numerator is smaller than denominator, and in improper fraction denominator is greater than denominator is smaller than numerator, and the mixed fraction there are number mixed fraction में क्या होता है? Tell me. Yes, in this mixed fraction there is a whole number and a proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Okay, so just write here improper fraction. So you have to write I for improper fraction because here numerator is greater than what? Numerator is greater than denominator. So write I here improper fraction. For I means improper. And 6 upon 17, it means it's your proper fraction because your numerator is smaller than denominator. It is the definition of proper fraction. Okay. Now 5, 1 upon 5. There is a whole number and a proper fraction. So it's your mixed fraction, right? And for mixed fraction, 9 upon 11, it means it's your proper fraction because here is a numerator that is smaller than new denominator. 14 upon 3 is your improper fraction. So write I because numerator is greater than your denominator. Now 6, 2 upon 9, it means whole number and a proper number. Proper fraction. 2 upon 9 is a fraction. Whole number is given 6, 2 upon 9, numerator and denominator, that is in the form of proper fraction. So write here P. I'm sorry, it's your mixed fraction. Now it's your improper fraction. Now 6 upon 8, it's your proper fraction. 1 whole number, 2 upon 3, it's your mixed fraction. Now 9 upon 3, improper fraction. And here 7 upon 10 is your proper fraction as numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay. Now convert the following improper fraction into the mixed fraction. These are all your improper fraction. You have to convert these all into the mixed fraction. Okay. So you will get the whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, got it students? Very good. Now students, it's your convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. So students, look at these numbers, these fractions. 18 upon 7 is your improper fraction. Then you have to convert these numbers into mixed like this. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. So just divide first and you will get the answer like this. Let me tell you one thing in this. You have to divide first. Your number is 18 is your dividend and 7 is your divisor. Okay, so write here number 7 and then after 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So write here number 2 as this is your remainder. It's your quotient. Now write your answer 14 here and now you will get the remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 4. So students, now it's very easy for you. You can see from here 2 is a whole number. It means quotient is a whole number in the mixed fraction and this 4 number is your remainder. Okay. And this 7 number is your divisor. Okay. Got it? It's very easy. So right here 2 is your remainder here and 4 is your quotient. Okay. The rule of this sums is you can write here, you can write number quotient is here. Okay, like this quotient and in the bottom you will write here D for divisor and here you will write remainder as a whole number. Okay students, got it? Yes, it's very easy. Now it's your mixed fraction. Okay. Now it's very easy. 9 fours are 36 plus 6. So you will get 42 upon 9 or it's in the form of mixed fraction. These are in the form of mixed fraction. So just note down in your notebook. Okay. And now come to this question number 4. Convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. So students, you have to multiply 17 multiply by 3. Then you will get, let me tell you here, 17 multiplied by 3. Okay. And then after you have to do the addition of number 2. So you will get the answer 17 multiplied by 3, 51 plus 2, 53. So your numerator is 53 and your denominator is 17. Okay. So just write numerator and the denominator. Okay, students, got it? And now this is your 7 6 is 42 plus 2, 44 upon 7. It means numerator is 44 and denominator is 7. 9 3s are 27 plus 4, 31 upon 9. 12 ones are 12 plus 11. Answer is 23. Numerator is 23 upon 12. Denominator is 12. 11 ones are 11 plus 2. 13 upon 11 means 13 is your numerator. 11 is your denominator. Yes, it's very easy and important chapter. So just do these sums in your notebook. Okay, students? Yes. Now students, it's your exercise 8.2. Find 3 equivalent fractions for the given fractions by multiplying. So students, you have to do the multiplication in both numerator and denominator. Value should be same. Okay. So just start from this number 1 upon 7. And you have to do the multiplication of 2 number 1 multiplied by 2. You will get 2 upon 14, 3 upon 21 and 4 upon 20. 8. Okay. And then in this 2 upon 3 fraction, you have to write 3 equivalent fraction by multiplying. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Then 6, then 8. Then after 3 multiplied by 2, 3 3s are 9, then 3 4s are 12. Like this, you have to do this C and D also. 1 upon 13 is your fraction. Now 2 upon 26. 3 upon 39 and 4 upon, it's your number. Okay. And now 3 upon 5. So 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20. These are the equivalent fraction. Okay, students, got it? Yes. Now students, it's your question. Find the missing number. In the missing number, you have to find the number 2 it's your number 7 and answer is 35 in the denominator. So you have to check, you have to notice in this question. Okay, so just write here 7 multiplied by 5. So you will get 35 answers. So you have to do the multiplication here also. In numerator, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so you will get 10 answer. And in this question, answer is 40. Why? Because its number is 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are how many times number will 15? So you have to read the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. And you have to do the multiplication of 5 number in 8's value, 8 number. So you will get here 40 answer. Okay. Now you have to divide these sums. Okay. So you will get, you have to divide 54 is your dividend and 9 is your divisor. So you will get 6 answer. So 9 6 is 54. 7 6 is 42. So you have to write here 7 number. Now 9 8s are 72. So 5 8s are 40. Okay. So you have to do the multiplication, or you can say first divide the following. 72 divided by 9. Then you will get the answer 8. Then multiply 8 by 5. 5 multiplied by 8. You will get answer 40. Okay. Now write an equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 with. Denominator should be 16. So students, if denominator is 16, by multiply 4 number 3 upon 4. So you have to write here 3 upon 4. Okay. So write here number 3 upon 4. And what you have to do? You have to do the multiplication of what number? You have to do the multiplication of here 4 number. Okay. So right here the multiplication sign and 4 multiplied by 4. You have to do the multiplication of 4 number in your numerator also. Okay. Same number should be in both numerator and denominator. Then you will get the answer. 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. As it is written 3 upon 4 with denominator 16. Okay. And numerator should be 9. So 9 should be your numerator and 12 is your denominator. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. You have to do the multiplication of same number. Yes. Denominator 24. So 24 is your denominator as it is written. Now 3 and yeah, you have to write here 4 6 are 24 and 3 6 are 18. So your answer is 18 here. Numerator is 18 now. Okay. Very good. Find equivalent fraction of 48 upon 80. So numerator should be 6. So your answer denominator is your 10. Okay. And the denominator is 5. Then you will get numerator as 3. Okay, students, just do it in your notebook. Yes, very good. Now question number 6, check whether the fraction are equivalent or not. So you have to do the cross multiplication for getting the answer. 3 multiplied by 12. 12 3s are, yes, 36. 4 9s are 36. So these are equivalent fraction, or you can draw here a line for multiplication, cross multiplication like this now. It's very easy. 3 multiplied by 12, 36. Same number. 9 4s are 36. Same number. So it is your equivalent fraction. Okay. Now 2 multiplied by 18, 36. And 12 multiplied by 3, 36. Then your answer is right. So just write this answer. Okay, students. Because both numbers are 36. Okay, after doing the cross multiplication. No, here is your number 3 is here. So you will get 12 threes are 36. And 18 twos are 36. Okay, so just tick here. Like this, you have to tick. Now, by cross multiplication, number is not matched. So cross that and cross this also, because 3 fours are 12 and 9 ones are 9. One is your answer 12 and one is your answer 9. It is not matched. So this is not equivalent fraction. Okay, students, got it? Very good. Now students, it's your exercise 8.3. So put the sign of greater than, less than or equal to. So you have to put the sign according to the number. You should notice number is greater than or smaller than. Okay. So 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. It means denominators are same. So you have to check number 3 and 5. Which is the greater one? 5 is the greater one. So put the sign here. Okay. And now in this equation, denominator are different. Both different denominators are. So, and denominator, numerator are same. So you have to take that one, that is your denominator, smaller denominator. So it is your greater number. Okay. So you have to take this. And in this arrange in ascending order, you have to arrange in ascending order from a smaller to the bigger number. Okay. So just look at the fraction, that is 18 upon 20, 11 upon 20, 19 upon 20 and 3 upon 20. So just look at the smaller number, that is 3 upon 20 is your fraction. Okay. Now students, it's your now 3 upon 20 is your smaller fraction. 11 upon 20, then 18 upon 20, 19 upon 20. These are in the form of ascending order from smaller number to the bigger number. Okay. And now in this third question, you have to remember descending orders rule, that is bigger to smaller. So you have to find out the biggest number, that is your fraction, 4 upon 5, then 3 upon 5, because in this denominators are same. 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. These are the sequence of descending order. Okay, got it? So students, just do these sums in your notebook. Okay, it's very interesting and very, very important. Okay, students? Yes. Now students, it's here exercise 8.4. So you have to do it very carefully, listen it very carefully. Find the value. It's your number 7 upon 8. Of means, as I told you earlier, multiplication sign. You have to put the sign here of multiplication like this. And here, write the multiplication sign. And now, read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So write here number 2, and then after this you have to multiply 7 multiply by 2. So you will get the answer 40. Now here it's your number 3 upon 7 of 49. It means you have to do the 7 sevens are divide first. 7 sevens are 49. So write here, or multiplication sign you can write here now. Then after you can cut this number like this, and then 7 sevens are 49. Okay, cut this also. 7 sevens are 49. Write here number 7, and then after do the multiplication of 3 multiplied by 7. You will get the answer 21. Like this also, 6 tens are 60, and then you have to do the multiplication of 10 here. Okay, and cut this value like this now. Cut this value 6 and 60 both number. Then do the multiplication of 5 multiplied by 10, 50. 11 threes are 33. So 8 threes are 24. After getting number 3, you will get 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. So right here the sign of multiplication, and then do the multiplication of number 3. 8 multiplied by 3. So 24 is the answer. Now reduce the lowest term. So you have to reduce the lowest term. Now 12 upon 20. It's your numerator, that is 12, and denominator is 20. So reduce in the lowest term, you will get the answer 3 upon 5. Okay, you can divide these both number from the two number. Okay, now come to this 15 upon 20. You can read the table of 5 for getting the answer 3 upon 4. For getting this answer 3 upon 4. Okay, so these are in fraction. First is your numerator and second one is your denominator. In this C, 4 upon 5 is the answer, and in this D question, 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now find and reduce the sum to the lowest term. It's your number 9 upon 11, 5 plus 4, 9. Then 11, 3 plus 1, 4 upon 5. 7 upon plus 7 plus 9, 16 upon 15. 5 plus 7, 12 upon 9. You can do these D1, reduce this D1. Okay, 3 4s are 12. Right here 4 and then 3 3s are 9. Okay, so right here 3. Your answer will be 4 upon 3. Okay, got. So now students, it's your very important question. Find the and reduce the difference to the lowest term. 7 minus 2, 5 upon 8, 15 minus 7, 8 upon 16. You can reduce this term 1 upon 2. Okay, 4 minus 2, 2 upon 9, 21 minus 15, 6 upon 25. Okay, so you will get the answer. Very good. Now do these remaining sums in your notebook. It's very interesting. Okay. Now student, it's your very important word problem. So just note it down in your notebook and read it very carefully. Then after, do these sums in your notebook. Okay. So just listen it very carefully. A painter mixed 1 upon 7 liter of white paint and 2 upon 7 liter of yellow paint to make a new paint. What is the total quantity of paint formed? So you have to do the addition of these fractions. 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. You will get 3 upon 7 is your answer. Means paint, what is the total quantity of paint formed? 3 upon 7 quantity. Okay, you can write here quantity also. Okay. Now, a bottle had, question number 2, a bottle had 8 upon 9 liter of juice. Beauty and her friend drank 4 upon 9 liter of it. What quantity of juice is left in the bottle now? So you have to write the fraction 8 minus 8 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9. So these are your 4 upon 9 is your answer, juice in the bottle left. Okay, you can write here juice 4 upon 9 juice. It is in liter form. So write here liter also. Okay. Now question number 3. There are 24 pencils in a box. 1 upon 8 of them are sharp. How many pencils are not sharp? So students, you can write here, solve here your sums 24 and multiply by 1 upon 8. So write number 1 here and 8 at the bottom. Now it's your fraction. So 8 threes are, it's your 24 pencils in a box. So 1 upon 8 of them are sharp. Okay, just read it very carefully. And now 3, right here 3. So students, you have to do the minus now. Right here 24, because 24 pencils are in a box, and minus 3, you will get that 21 pencils are not sharp. You can write here are not sharp. Okay, very good. Now, fourth question. Manu bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Sonal bought 1 upon 2 meter of ribbon. Who bought longer ribbon and by how much? It means you have to do the equal fraction first. By 2 upon 5, you will get 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 2, you will get 5 upon 10 because 10 you have to check denominator should be same. So student, and by how much? Who bought longer ribbon? Means Sonal bought longer ribbon. Very easy. Then by how much? By 1 meter. As it is already known, 5 minus 4, 1 meter. Okay. Now, students, it's your question number 5. Rauch, about 2 is the whole number. 1 upon 5 is your proper number, proper fraction. Kilogram of tomatoes for making soup. He used only 1 upon 2 kilogram of tomatoes. Find the weight of tomatoes left with him. It means it's your number 22 upon 10. You have to do the same denominator, minus 15 upon 10. So you will get the answer in fraction 7 upon 10. It means the weight of tomatoes left with him. That is your answer. Okay, 7 upon 10. So students, this chapter is fully completed. We will do our next chapter in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.